I want to make it perfectly clear that Sullivan County has many dedicated, honest, and hardworking employees doing a tremendous job to ensure that our homeless, poor, and needy are provided for, and for this, we are grateful. There are also many dedicated and concerned employees who have, on numerous occasions, filed complaints, trying to be heard, but have become frustrated by the efforts of some to suppress information. This legislature, through a bipartisan effort, took the lead and moved forward, despite hurdles, to support the efforts of Commissioner Randy Parker and the fraud investigative team under the direction of Investigator Gerald Dietz to address long overdue complaints. Investigations are now ongoing with the goal to root out fraud and prevent waste and abuse. This legislature will identify and address policies and procedures through county government that limit information needed to address these very real concerns. Today we are sending a message throughout government and the county as a whole. Sullivan County is on the road to reform. Business will be conducted in a better way to protect employees concerned about the delivery of services to our people and to provide accountability for our tax dollars, but most importantly, to protect Medicaid funding for those who are truly in need. In contemplating the events since January of 2012, I feel it was a very good day when this current legislature took the reins. Much has been accomplished and much has come to light. Realizing a broken system, we saw the need to address concerns of fraud, waste, and abuse. By assisting Commissioner Parker in a little over a year, we have created the first Sullivan County fraud investigation team. These efforts have saved millions of tax dollars, have led to efforts to improve housing for our homeless. Much progress has been made. There is much more to be done. Most telling are Sullivan County's ratings in poverty, poor health, rising crime. However, this comes with the realization that years of a lack of oversight has led to streams of Medicaid funding moving through hundreds of Medicaid shelters, many of which are unverified, amounting to millions of tax dollars, much sent outside this county to addresses elsewhere. Make no mistake, many Medicaid vendors in Sullivan County are accountable and are providing a necessary service to our most vulnerable. The concern lies in the numbers of people coming to Sullivan County as a destination for benefits from numerous destinations outside Sullivan County who provide a county address reflecting numerous unverified shelters. As law enforcement works to keep us safe, and those that really need assistance struggle many times to get it, a system allowing Sullivan County to become a point of entry for benefits is no longer sustainable. We need to rethink this picture with a new vision for Sullivan County. Today, I am proposing reforms that will focus on several priorities. Number one, to reinstate the legal position within the Health and Family Division under the direction of the Commissioner to review and reform programs focusing on programs directly affecting children and their families, making a priority the safety of children. Number two, set policies for verification of all active Medicaid vendors and provide oversight of all safety net cases, which carry a tremendous county cost. Number three, changes in the whistleblower and work environment policies to address the handling of complaints, to ensure employees' complaints are taken seriously and addressed in a timely manner, and that employees are encouraged to disclose wrongdoing to their supervisor without fear of retaliation in a confidential matter. Let it be known that change has not come easily, but with my legislative colleagues, Jean Benson, Cora Edwards, Kitty Vetter, and Alan Sorensen, who offers his support of these efforts but was unable to be here with us this morning, and the dedication of several employees with the courage to refuse to remain silent, all supporting the efforts of Commissioner Randy Parker, Chief Fraud Investigator Gerald Dietz, and members of the Sullivan County Fraud Investigative Team to address the issues head-on. We take the time to laud the efforts of the District Attorney, Jim Farrell, the New York State Police under the direction of Jamie Kaminsky, in cooperation with the New York State Welfare Fraud Inspector General. Here today, representing the legislature, are my colleagues. I would like at this time to invite them to make comment, and I want to thank you all for coming.